Hello everyone, welcome back to Chalk, Chai and Zindagi. In our previous video, we learned how to write formal invitation in both the letter format and the printed card format. But remember, every invitation deserves a reply. Now, a formal reply can be of two types: acceptance or refusal. Refusal means declining. Just like a formal invitation, a formal reply should be brief, polite, and written in formal tone. In today's video, we will learn both the formats with the help of same CBSE question so that you can understand them easily and score full marks in your board examination. So let us start. Students, we will continue with the same question that we discussed in the previous video. Since Dr. Meera Sharma has received the invitation, let us first see how she would write a formal acceptance. After that, we will learn how to write a formal refusal. Before writing a formal reply, ask yourself just one question. Has the invitation been accepted or declined? Once that is clear, your tone and content will become very easy. So let us start with a formal reply, that is the acceptance, right? Again, 4 marks, format 1 mark, content 2 marks, expression 1 mark, 4 marks. It's very easy. If this comes, you can score full marks. There is set language, nothing, and it is very short also. So, when you are formally replying, Dr. Meera Sharma, right? She is from Delhi, right? Space, you will give the date, then space and write down. Dr. Meera thanks the principal of Sunrise Public School for the kind of invitation to grace the annual day celebration on 20th August at 10 a.m. Space, she is pleased to accept the invitation and confirms her presence. So she has accepted. And now why we have written the date and time and the heading and the event also, in order to confirm everything. That is why we write annual day celebration, 20th August, 10 a.m. And she has accepted it. This is how you will write formal reply of acceptance in the box like this. Very small, very formal, to the point. Now tips by the teacher. If you want to write acceptance, first of all you will thank them, then you will accept it, you will confirm. Third person is used, the address of the writer and the date is to be written. Is it clear to you, beta? Formal reply, acceptance, you will be thanking them, then you will accept that invitation and you will confirm it also. And you will use the third person. Dr. Meera, thanks, like this. Is it clear to you? Easy? Let's come to the second part. That is the formal reply. Now the person, may be having some important work, so it is a refusal. How we will write? Same way. Again 4 marks, 1 for format, 2 for content, 1 for expression. So we'll start from left hand side. Dr. Meera Sharma, Delhi, space, date, space. Then Dr. Meera thanks the principal of Sunrise Public School, for the kind invitation to grace the annual day celebration on 20th August at 10 a.m. So she is thanking them, right? In the second paragraph, you will give space and then write the second. However, she regrets her inability to attend the function due to prior engagement. She conveys her best wishes for the grand success of the event. So maybe she's busy on that day. She's unable to come. So that is why she has shown her inability to come. That is called refusal. So the tip by the teacher, refusal mein first of all you will thank, then you will show your regret, then you will show your reason. You have to give. If you are refusing, you must give the reason. And then you will convey your best wishes also. Although you are not coming, but still you have to convey your best wishes. See the format, how you have to write, box, and how much space you have to give in. You have to keep each and every point, so that you score full marks. प्रेजेंटेशन डू मैटर बेटा. आप जितना मर्जी सोचते रहो सुंदर सी पैकेजिंग वाली चीज़ अट्रैक्टिव लगती है कि नहीं लगती है, ऐसे ही आपको अपना पेपर भी बहुत ब्यूटिफुली लिखना होता है, पूरा अच्छे से उसको प्रेजेंट करना होता है, सो दैट द एग्जामिनर फील्स हैप्पी. और एक हर क्वेश्चन का सीक्वेंस भी फॉलो करना पड़ता है. ओके, so students, I hope the concept of formal replies is now absolutely clear. Always remember that formal replies should be brief, courteous, and written in formal tone. If you are accepting the invitation, express your pleasure politely. If you are declining it, then give a genuine reason and end with good wishes. With regular practice, this 4-mark question can become one of the easiest questions in your board exam. If you found this lesson helpful, do like it, share it, and subscribe to Chalk, Chai and Zindagi. In the next video, we will continue with another important writing skill for the CBSE Class 12th English Core examination. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, every mark counts. Thank you and God bless you.